Find out what it would be like
If you lived here.
So, welcome to Petworth.
I love the outside of this building.
It's a great building. It's a Tudor-style building. You're in the northeast section of Petworth, and along Upshur Street, we have a lot of new restaurants. And you have a farmer's market, you have bike share. Petworth is considered, as of now, one of the most revitalized, gentrified communities in the country. So there's a lot of new development going in here. But this building is charming. It consists of 9 buildings.
Okay.
It has a beautiful courtyard, built in 1936. So you have all the architectural features of a Tudor. One of the things I want to highlight about this unit is that it has 3 exposures. So you have 13 windows. Go hunt and find out where these things
We're
are.
gonna have to keep like a checklist.
I know.
Yes, I'm gonna give you some privacy, and
Okay.
so I'll wait for you outside the door.
Perfect.
Okay, all
See you in a
right.
bit.
Enjoy.
Okay. This is great.
Right, and you notice the archways right away.
Nice detail. I mean, they're all throughout this entire place. And look what they did to the kitchen. So, redone, remodeled.
Okay, so I do like the counter to ceiling tile.
Yeah, they took out all the cabinets and did these floating shelves, which is a trend right now.
It is. How do you feel about no cabinet space, though?
Well, I mean, it's sharp looking. I don't know if, you get a lot of utility out of it, but, I would probably put shelves on this wall.
Oh,
That
I
would
could
add a
see
lot
that.
of storage for the kitchen.
It would, it would.
And
Oh, you
big
come
living
into
room.
this nice big
Oh,
living room.
So nice.
Okay, so let's go check out the bedrooms.
Sounds good. Nice bed.
Oh, hi.
Hey, 2 doors. Nice space. Talk about lights. Hello.
Right, right.
3 more windows.
3 more. I hope you're keeping track. Let's go up my way.
Okay.
So here we have bedroom number 2.
Another sizable bedroom. And these beautiful windows.
I bet this is original hardwood.
Those doors are
Yeah.
gorgeous. All right, very nice.
So obviously bedroom number 3.
The other side of this place was so bright during this time of day. This has shady side to it.
Well, you said you get all exposures.
You do get all exposures. This is nice.
Okay, here we have the bathroom. Yep, I bet that is probably the original cast
That's
iron
a
tub.
solid tub. You
You
can't even
know,
knock on that one.
Those are so hard to get out of a home, but it's nicely remodeled around it.
Absolutely. Lots of potential
Yeah.
to make little changes here and there. Ah, there she
Hey,
is.
Denise.
Hey, so guys, what do you think?
Oh my
I-
gosh, it's great.
I loved it. And you know what I loved in particular is you walk in, and technically it's not what you would call open concept, but it feels like an open concept.
The rooms are huge. The living room, the original doors,
Okay,
the
and,
hardware.
and truth be told, we did lose count on the windows.
Yes,
Yeah,
but
we did.
they're-
But the
but
natural
beautiful.
light, really great.
Yeah.
Super, glad to hear that.
So this is a co-op. What is the monthly fee?
The monthly fee is around $927. However, with the cooperative, it includes practically everything. All you pay is the electricity. Keep in mind, this is an older building, built in 1936. I should have
1936.
tested you on that. See if you're listening. So, 3 bedrooms,
Yeah.
1 bath, 12 to 1,300 square feet, somewhere in between.
It actually seems bigger to me.
It does.
And maybe it's because of the flow of the house, but I'm going to go for these 3 bedrooms here on New Hampshire Avenue in Petworth at $375.
Okay. All right.
Final answer.
375.
375.
All right. I'm gonna go at a listing price of $425.
All right. Well, I'm so sorry to tell you that you're both wrong.
So we both went over?
Both went over. The actual price is $350.
Wow.
So I'm not surprised that you came up with that number. So this is pretty special and unique.